Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is active investment management. Now, this is relative to passive management. Active management is a manager or a group of managers that are managing money for institutions and individuals based on the idea that they can beat the market by stock selection or asset allocation. Now, this is relative to passive, where maybe it's indexed like an ETF or the S&P 500. Active investment management, there's always been a debate as to what's better. Warren Buffett would say he's an active manager. He actively managed the stocks he picked in his portfolios when he ran a hedge fund, Buffett Limited, versus other people like Peter Lynch, who ran Magellan, which was a successful mutual fund, and he was an active manager picking stocks that he thought were going to outperform the market. Today's word is active investment management. And these are important things to understand when you put your money to work, whether you're doing it in active or passive format. Today's word is active investment management.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.